In this video, we'll show you how to fasten off your crochet. We're using Serdar Stories and you'll use the yarn and the hook in your pattern. I'm showing you how to fasten off on a granny square, but fastening off technique is the same across all crochet. We've got our last stitch on our hook and we want to do one more stitch to start the fasten off. So we're going to do a chain, so we're going to wrap around our hook, twist our hook down and pull through. And then to fasten off, we're going to snip our yarn. And you want to make sure that you leave a nice long tail, long enough for sewing in your ends. So always trim your yarn at least 10 to 15 centimetres. Take your snips, pull, and then that extra stitch was there because now we're going to pull through our loop, tug our end, and it's as easy as that. And that's fastening off your crochet. Practice until you're confident and then head to serdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.